Hello guys, we are in the next tutorial of NumPy and we will see NumPy array indexing. Indexing means to access the element from the array. So now here you can observe this diagram we have seen in the last tutorial also. So suppose we have the 6 element, then it start with the index position 0 up to n minus 1, and by using this we can access the element from one dimensional array. So you see here, and array indexing is same as accessing the array element. Suppose here we have the element name 1. So by using that a of 0 we can access this value. You can access an array element by referring to its index number. Suppose you are referring a of 5, so it means that you can access the element that will be stored in that position. So suppose your first element is 1, got it? So you can access by a of 0. Your last element, suppose 5 or 10, you can access by writing a of 5. So in this way, by using index number, you can access any element. The index in NumPy always start with 0 and it end with n minus 1. So now we have the example of two-dimensional array. It is in matrix form. So this is what the row number 1, row 2, row 3. Here row 1, row 2, row 3. It start with 0. So if we see this position 1, 2, it indicate that 1 means row number, so that row number will be this one, okay, and 2 means here you have to see this column. So here it is intersecting here, it is referring this row and this column. So this is the position of 1, 2, means the second row and third column. So whatever the element is there in this matrix, that will be available for you. So next one, the example of three-dimensional array. So in that three-dimensional array, we get more than one matrix. Got it? So this is the first matrix, this is second, third. So here in the example of index position, first one represent the matrix. Okay, so 2 means third matrix, because index position start with 0. 0 means first matrix, 1 means second, and 2 means third. So these 2 represent the third matrix. So these 2 represent this matrix, and next 2 means as usual row number, and last 2 is column number. So 2 means this is the row, and next 2 means this is the column. This is the column. So the intersection point is this one. So this element will be available to you, and you can access that element by using this index position. So now we will go in the practical session and we will see how we can access the element by using index position. So we are already in this program. I have already written this code. In the last tutorial also I explained. So first we check the output, how it is showing the output. So you see here we have the 2 matrix, okay. So now here I want to access particular element from the matrix. So how we can access it, that we will see. So first you write the array A, and after this array variable you write the bracket. I want to access the second matrix, so you have to write 1, and I want to access the first element, so you write there 0. Got it? So now we check the output. You just remember this position 1, 0, 0. So you see 33 is available. 1 means second matrix, 0, 0 means this first position. Second 0 means first row, third 0 means first column. So in this way we can access any element there. And suppose if I want to do some operation there, then we will do it. So I want this operation with the matrix 2, and here I write 0, 1. So it means we will access the second element of the second matrix. So you see 33 plus 4 is 37. So in this way we can perform operation also by using the index position. Now I want simple matrix there. I will remove this bracket. Here I need actually bracket. I want to access the element that is from second row and first column. So now we just check the output. So this is the matrix, second row and first column is 33. So that element will be available to you. And you can, so this is what in the matrix form, that is a two-dimensional array. Previously we had seen three-dimensional, and this is what the two-dimensional array. Now I will again convert back into the one-dimensional array. So this is one-dimensional array. So a of 1 means that 4 will be available to you. You see, again you can perform the operation with that if you want. Suppose I do now multiplication with the last two element. So now we check the output, it should come 24. Okay, so in this way we can perform the operation. Just you must understand the concept of index. That is very important. In presentation also we have seen how you can understand the index position so that you can access any element and you can perform operation over that. So I hope, dear student, you understood the index position. In the next tutorial we will see the more options of the NumPy. So thanks for watching this tutorial. Thank you.